So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good. Everything is going fine and everybody is ready to learn about a new strategy. So the name you might have already checked in the description. The strategy which we are going to talk about today is RODEO. How to apply it manually, automatically. I will be explaining about these things. Apart from that, some major topics like which most of the traders they are not taking care of, or they are not focused much, which we call money management, risk management, trading psychology. So we will be trying to cover those also. So before I start the conversation, I just want to confirm one thing, that the comment section is already active. So in case if you will be having any doubt, question, query regarding strategies, feel free to write there. And traders, before starting the conversation, I want to tell you one thing. This is just a small request. See, for your deposit withdrawal verification, all these type of concerns, support team is already there. So I request you, please get in touch with them. This 1 hour is only dedicated for trading. So I request you, whatever the concerns you have regarding trading, you are most welcome with them. And for the deposit withdrawal verification and everything, you can get in touch with the support team. Okay. And please confirm me in the comment section if my audio and video is clear. Let me check it with my device also. At the same time, I am looking forward for the confirmation from your end also. So you can just write me in the comment section if my audio and my video is clear. If my screen is visible, just give me a quick moment. Let me also cross verify. Okay, perfect. So I believe everything is looking fine. Everything is going streamlined. So we will wait hardly for 1 minute and then we will kick off today's session. We will start talking about different technicals, and of course we will be doing some live action also. So there will be some live trading, and those who have joined for the first time, I request you, please make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live next, you will be able to get a notification for that. Because on this channel, we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, Indonesian, like n number of languages are available. So whichever you are comfortable with, I request you, just subscribe the channel, be part of the family, and connect with us at that specific time window, so that you will be able to connect with us and we will be able to talk about your trading concerns and we will be able to help you. In the meantime, feel free to share the link of this channel, share the link of this communication, this session to your dear ones also, so they will be able to connect with us, because this is the only motive we have: connect with more and more people and help them with them. Amit Maurya ji, I am so sorry, but today we will not be able to conduct this session in Hindi. If you are more comfortable in Hindi, every Tuesday and Thursday 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time, same channel, we are conducting sessions in Hindi, and you can check the yesterday's session which we have conducted. That is available in the playlist section also. Just go to the playlist, explore the Hindi playlist, and you will be finding everything. Okay, so we have waited a lot, so I believe that we should kick off session. And in case if some trader will be joining in between, of course they can ask me their question. And I have already checked with my device, everything is streamlined. But in case if anybody is still available and they can confirm me if my audio and video is sorted, everything is clear, just let me know. That would be great. Okay, so let's talk about the strategy first. So the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version which is in my laptop. So of course there might be some traders, those who might be using the mobile application, so the interface might be different, I'm sure. But one thing I can tell you, that the technical which we need for today's strategy for RODEO, that is available in mobile also. Okay, so let's talk about how to use the strategy, how to apply. Okay, so traders, this is the like if you observe, so this is the tower. At the bottom there is a button with the name of technical analysis. Once I'll click on that one, so I'll just go to this, like a window will be like this one. I'll just open the strategy part, I'll start scrolling down, and here we go. So the third last strategy from the bottom, it's an expert level strategy. The name of the strategy is RODEO. Okay, so this is the one which we are going to talk about today. Okay, just a moment. Yeah, so this can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading, FX, which means Forex. Now those traders, those who are not on the expert level and they are thinking that, sir, this strategy is paid for me, so this session is not for me. Wait a second. this strategy can be applied manually also. Yes, you heard me right. So let me show you that how this can be applied manually also. So no need to buy this strategy. I'm repeating it again and again whenever we are conducting sessions, that strategies can be applied manually, so no need to buy them. I'll just quickly click on that one. A small description video is there for now, no need to bother yourself. I will be explaining that one, how the strategy works. Everything is written there. Now this is the important part. So we need high Kanashi candle in this one. We need stochastic with the frequency of 1433 and MACD with the 1226 M9. So I believe some of the trader might have already understood what I am going to say. So these things can be applied manually also, of course. So like from here you can change the chart type from Japanese area or from bars to high Kanashi, and then if you want to apply MACD and stochastic, all you just need to go to the search bar, type MACD, it's there. Then the second one is stochastic, that is also there. Once you apply everything, all these three things, click on these three dots, click on save strategy, next, and your strategy will be ready to be used for free, and that will be visible somewhere in this heading, custom strategy. Okay, so the strategy which might be paid for you in the last minute, now currently that would be free for you. Now let's talk about how this strategy works, but before coming to that, let me see if there are some comments. Okay, so Akriti is saying, hi, I have some questions, can you help? Please Akriti, just let me know what questions you have. Just drop your doubt, nothing to worry. Ankit is saying withdrawal nahi hua hai. Ankit, I request you, please connect with the support team, they will be guiding you with that one. For the withdrawal, if I'll talk about this, standard time frame is 24 to 5 working days. So if your withdrawal is in process, I request you just get in touch with the support team, they will be guiding you with that. 95 to 98% requests are processed within 24 hours, but if anything is taking time, just stay calm. A team will do the needful and your funds will be there. Okay, Divanli, the same information for you also. Aroz Ali, thank you so much for your love. Hi, I lost controlling and all my balance after winning. So Negi Shaw, see this, it's a quite common issue with most of the traders which they are following. So either they are getting stuck with the what we call over trading, and the second one is revenge trading. Now you tell me which one you are stuck with. Like sometime you're facing some negative results and you are keep on trading with the higher and higher amount. Is this the scenario? Or sometime you are making some profits, then you try to make it more and then you start losing something and then you just wipe out. Just let me know which one is your scenario. Okay, yeah, Game On, thank you so much for the help. Okay, so traders, still if you will be having any doubt regarding how to apply this strategy manually automatically, just let me know in the comment section. And also tell me, as I can see that a few different new names are there in the comment section, so let me know from where you have joined this session, so that I am always very fascinated to know about that a person. I am sitting in one corner of the world and someone is sitting in the next one or in the opposite, and still I am trying my best to help them. So just let me know. Let's make this session a bit more interactive. Just tell me. Okay, I started $8, now 18. Very nice, Game On. You are doing very good. You are doing great. Make sure you have a set of rules. You are doing it according to that. Please do not stuck in the over trading mode, and also use your money management. I will explain that one. I will let you know about that one. Just stay connected. I will be explaining that one because you are going on a right track. I just want you to continue on the same. Wazid Khan ji, hello, salam alaikum. I hope you are doing good. Okay, so now let's talk about the strategy, and again I will be coming back to the comment sections. Okay, so in this strategy, as you know that we have applied three things, so of course we will be getting confirmation from these three. So the first one, all you just need to focus on. I'll start from the easiest one and then we will keep on moving ahead. So the first one, easiest one, with the help of the color of the candle. So the beauty of high Kanashi candle is they are going to tell you that what can be the direction of the market. It is very easy to grab that. Green, market up, red, market down. That's it. No rocket science, nothing. Only color based. Green, market up, red, market down. That's it. Now second one, MACD. Now if you focus on MACD, if I'll just open this one. So in this one there are three things: MACD line, signal, and histogram. So if you want to make it a bit more easy to understand, and if you think that so many lines are there and that make it very complicated to understand, and that is creating some confusion, I can tell you one more thing, that you can change some settings that is just regarding the visualization, not the frequency changes. First let me explain like what which things are correlated. So if you observe on the basis of histogram, so you can see that there is a base level, and whenever there is that histogram, or let me change it to the line so that will be more easy for you to focus. Yeah. So if you observe, whenever there is an intersection of this histogram with the zero base level in the downward direction, at the same time MACD line is intersecting the signal line in the same direction. Let me show you the another example also. So this is the second example. So what I am just trying to tell you, that the intersection of MACD line and the signal line is same as it is this intersection of zero line with the histogram line. So either you can do one thing, you can hide these two and keep this one, or you can hide this one and keep these two. So for now we will hide these two and we will be focusing on the one line. So that will make it look a bit more easy to understand. Now the third part, the last one, like this is something which I am very used to, like I am very fond of. So this is what we call stochastic. In stochastic there are major two levels. The first one is 80 and the second one is 20. 81 is known as overbought zone. The 21 is known as oversold zone. If you are not able to memorize the name, that is completely fine. All you just need to aware about that how exactly it works. Okay, so whenever the market will breach any of these two levels, like either this one or this one, then we can assume that there can be a price correction. Price correction means if the market is keep on going up and market breach this level, these two frequencies breach this level, then we will wait for the price correction, means market will start moving downward, and then we will open our position. The same scenario in the upward trend also. The market is keep on going downward, market breach this level, then we will wait for this intersection and we will take a trade in the upward direction. Now basically stochastic is the trend reversal indicator, trend reversal oscillator, sorry. So what I am just trying to say, that whenever the market is keep on moving in a specific direction, then like whenever the market is either in the oversold zone or in the overbought zone, the strict and the straightforward rule, do not take trade as per the trend, then just wait for the trend reversal. This is something which you can use with any another strategies also, just to make a customized strategy, like those traders, those who are stating that sir sometime the market was keep on growing up or keep on going down, the time I took trade, or my first trade was positive in the same direction, second was also positive, third was positive, why my fourth trade was negative? So majority of time I have observed one thing, that whenever you are keep on following that same direction, sometime market breach any one of these level, and then there can be a price reversal at any moment. So that is something which you need to focus on. Now in a sum up, what all we need to wait for: first one, the change of the candle of the color, and then the second one, intersection of the MACD line with the base level, and the third one, stochastic is going to breach either from overbought zone or from the oversold zone. Once we will be getting all these three confirmation all together, boom, here we go, we can take a trade. Suggested time frame for this strategy, for the minimum chart time frame is 1 minute. Trade time frame can be considered from 2 to 3 candles, mean to say whatever the time you have applied here, whether it's 1 minute, 2 minute, 4 minute, sorry 5 minute, 10 minute, multiply it with 2 or 3 and that will be your trade time. So far, any doubt, any question, feel free to write me in the comment section. Okay, so now we will start the live action. We will start taking some live trades, but before coming to that, traders, some important news, like some important information. First one, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So considering that thing, do not invest your huge capital in a single trade. Second thing, do not, start taking trades or start investing in your live account without learning. Because learning is there after earning, so you need to focus on learning part also. Trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time. Second thing, Even though this session is live, we are having a live conversation, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 25 second to 30 second, or it could be up to 1 minute. So the trade which I am going to open in front of you, that will be visible to you after a couple of candles. You can observe in your chart also, like if I'll just open this chart, so you can open the platform and you will be able to correlate that how much difference is there. So please avoid doing a copy trading whenever we are going to take a trade. Make sure you just focus on learning part, and once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, then of course you can take it to your live account, because this session is active for next max to max, like hardly next 40 minutes, but you have to trade after that also. And at the same time, these are some technical tools, mathematical calculation based, so they are not going to promise you 100% accuracy. That is the reason that you need to focus on your money management, risk management also, because it's a myth in mindset of traders that, just for an example, that if you have a profitability of 90%, and like majority of traders are stating that higher the accuracy, higher the profits, or higher the accuracy, only then you will be able to be in a profit. But I have tried to calculate it. If you have a profitability of 90%, not 93%, even 90%, like behind a $100 trade, you are making 93 and you are losing 100. 53% is the success ratio which will lead to a break-even point. Break-even means no profit, no loss. So from 53 onwards, once you will start from 53 to 54 or more than that one, then you can start making profits on the platform. The only condition is that your money management and your risk management should be good enough. So we have talked much about so many things. So let's talk. Let's take some trades. Let's try to use this strategy. At the same time, in case if any one of you will be finding any signal, just drop me in the comment section. I will be taking care of that one. Okay. Very nice, Royal Hunter. I am very more than happy to see that you started with only $100 and now you have 3,000. Make sure do not get greedy. Make sure you withdraw funds. Like sometimes the reason why I'm just asking you, because the more the money which is visible to you, sometimes we start making more and more investments. So I request you, just stay calm and keep it growing. At the same time, withdraw it, fulfill your needs, whatever you want to buy, whatever you want to everything is there. So make sure you take care of those things. I will be taking another comments also, so just give me a quick moment. Let me just execute at least 2 to 3 trades, and then we will coming back to the signal. That was something like which attracted my eyes, so that is the reason that I have just taken that comment. Okay, so we will wait. We will be taking all these things in the consideration, and then we will be taking a trade. Okay, so market is keep on growing up, and market is already in the overbought zone. We will wait for the price reversal, and then we will take a trade. Let's start. Let's keep on moving, and it's about to 7, so US market is about to open, so we can expect some sudden volatilities also. Okay, so green candles are there back to back. I'm more into using Japanese candle also, so of course you can also follow the same thing. You can also try to use the Japanese candle. Okay, I believe the market might bounce back. Let me see, let me observe. Let's take first trade. So we will not be considering this one as this strategy. The reason behind, like I have taken this trade on some another calculation. If anybody want to know, I will be explaining that also. But before going to that part, we will talk about the basic strategy. Okay, so let me just switch it again back to the Heiken-Ashi candle. Okay, so once we will be getting any of these 3 confirmation on any asset, we will take the trade on that one. In case at the same time, if you will be getting any confirmation, feel free to write me in the comment section. I will be taking trades on that. Okay, so first trade we have executed on the basis of strategy. First one, these 3 candles, red candles stating market can go into the downward direction. At the same time, MACD is also trying to breach this zero base level. Stochastic is already back from the overbought zone. So let's see if this trade will go positive or not. That is that one we have executed on Europe composite. Let me show you. Okay, so this trade is in the pipeline. This is another trade. Okay, this one looking negative. Let me see. I believe that market might bounce back sooner or later. No worries, we will keep on falling. I have already used the risk-free trade on that one. So in case even though trade will go negative, at least we will not be facing any negative results. Okay. So let's keep on moving to another assets. We will keep on shuffling our cards. We will not stick to one specific asset. Now traders, understand one thing. This is my obligation that I need to show you the strategy, how exactly it works. I need to open back-to-back trades, but for you there are no such conditions. Understand that thing and respect that thing. The reason behind, like why I'm telling you that, because I will be keep on opening trades back to back, but for you there are no such conditions. So you can do one thing, take one trade, wait for the result, and then start moving ahead. Because if the trade is positive, if you want to increase the trade amount, you can use your money management. If you want to, it's not required at all. Okay, let me be clear on that one. At the same time, if the trade is negative, if you want to reduce the trade amount, this is something which I'll recommend. So you can use your risk management. So I have opened multiple assets like some crypto, some OTC pairs, some currency pairs, some indexes. So everything is mixed. Some metals are there also. So we will keep on exploring everything. I have opened n number of assets. Okay, so let's start it from the beginning again. Let's start shuffling our cards again. Let me just have a look if any support level is there, resistance level is there. Okay, so market looks like it might stuck there. Let me open another trade down for 2 minutes. Okay, so let me explain that on what basis I have opened this trade. So I have opened this trade on the basis of this resistance level. Earlier also the market was stuck at the same level. So the more frequently the market is getting stuck at any specific level, it can bounce back. So the reason behind, like I have for the safer side, again I have used another RFT just to make sure that if the trade will go negative, at least we will not be facing any negative results. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling, keep on. Okay, so market bounced back, no worries. Okay, so again market is somewhere in the consolidation. So traders, understand one thing, whenever whenever you are going to take trades, make sure you always focus on trending market. So market is always moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward and sideways. So you need to focus on only either upward or downward. Do not focus on the sideways trend, because sometime that can keep the market in a specific range and that can lead to some negative results, because again there is a possibility that the support and resistance level will work same as it is. So it's not like that the market is moving in a specific direction. Like if I focus on that thing, so the resistance level is quite near, at the same time support level is quite near. So that is the reason that sometimes market is stuck at the same time. Now how to conclude that whether the market is stuck in consolidation or not? You can use n number of things, n number of points. Like if you are using Japanese candle, just focus the color of candle. So like you will be finding alternate candles like red green, again red green, 2 red, 1 green, 2 red, 1 green. So it's not leading to any trend. Second thing, all the technicals, whatever you are using, like if currently we will talk about MACD. So MACD is keep staying very close to the base level, and that is just keep on moving parallel to that. At the same time, if I talk about stochastic also, stochastic is also going to showcase the same thing. So make sure whenever you are going to take trade, you are always taking trade in a trending market, because trend is your friend. Of course, Konal is also your friend, but you need to focus on that part. Okay, so in this market, we can think no, because resistance level, support level is quite near. Let's see how the last few trades were. Okay, so one trade was positive, one was negative. We made some negative trades in the morning also. No worries, we'll try to figure it out. Okay, so this trade went positive. Let's check this one. Okay, so what exactly happened? Market bounced back. No worries. We will keep on trying our best. We will keep on shuffling our cards, because US market is already about to open, so volatility was quite expected. No worries. Let's keep on shuffling. Let's move to the another signals. Okay, so let me shift to the Japanese candle again. No signal so far, or we can think about this one. Let's take another trade for down. In case if this trade will go negative, we will make a quick change in our strategy. So we will change the time frame, trade time frame, from 2 candles to 3 candles. So initially we are taking trades for 2 minutes, so we will just switch it to 3 candles. Just give me a moment. Okay, so let's take a few more and then we will. Okay, so there can be a signal sooner or later. Let's hit this one. Okay, so 2 trades are in pipeline. Let's see how these trades will go and then we will move ahead. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me take a couple of more comments and then we will. Just a minute, guys. I'm so sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so withdrawal, I lost controlling withdrawal money. I started with $8. Okay, MD SRG, thank you so much for your appreciation. Hi, I am new here. Rafael Nadeem ji, very warm welcome to the platform and very welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect with us. And at the same time, if you're new to the trading, I request you, make sure trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. Okay, so considering that thing, make sure you invest enough time and then start exploring, start making investment. I just want to continue learning. That is great to know, because see, traders understand one thing: earning is there, but only after learning. So you have to learn about it. And it's not only about trading, to be honest. Everything, whatever you are doing in your life, study, any profession, whatever you are doing, you have to learn it first. So make sure like you invest time for that also. It's not only that green candles up trade, red candles down trade. It's not going to be that simple. Trading is not that complicated, but which we think. But trading is not that simple also, which we believe. It's a mix. So you have to, keep a balance. Okay, I lost 10 lakh in 6 years, but I am happy and hopeful one day I will recover. All, can you please donate me some USD? Ramji, I wish we could help you with that one, but I am so sorry, we are not allowed to. I am sure that you will be able to recover it one day, but I can give you a quick idea that how you can do that one. Now see, you mentioned that you have taken 6 years to lose that amount, but so at least give at least 1 year to recover it. I know that is going to be a very long time duration, but understand one thing: if you will make a calculation as per that, so in one year, almost 12 months, so hardly you need to make 80,000 a month, right? At the same 85,000, or let's make it 90,000. At the same time, if you calculate it with the number of days, all you just need to make 3,000 rupees every day. And to make 3,000 rupees, you do not need to invest a lot of capital. You do not need to invest a lot of time also. All you just need to stay consistent and disciplined. Slowly and gradually. I know that it is not going to be completed in one single day. You need to invest time, but slowly and gradually that 10 will become 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. But if you will try to make it everything in a single day, I'm so sorry to say, but that 10 can become 10.5 also. Game on, completely agree with your comment. Rule number 1, no greed. Keep trading as a marathon. It's not a sprint. Do not think that I will just make huge capital and I will be in front of everyone. Trades are going negative. I think we need to make a change. Let's start taking trades with the three candles, and let me analyze the trade also, what exactly happened. Okay, so there what exactly happened. So there was a sudden market reversal. No worries, we will try to use it with the different set of rule. Okay, so let's take a trade in down. We are quite late. We are trying to catch our running trains, but let's see if that will lead us to our destination, or that will lead to accident. No worries, let's try. Okay, so this one is still taking time. Let me check my previous one more trade. Okay, so whatever the trades I have made negative, I believe this Asia composite is going to compensate everything, and whatever I have made in the past, that is going to be helping me to complete my take profit for the day. Okay, let's keep on shuffling the cards. Okay, market is again stuck in this level. Very nice. Let me see. So let me do one thing. Let me take a trade for 2 candles, $30 with the RFT down direction, because I believe that market is stuck somewhere in this resistance level. At the same time, if the market will breach, I will take another position. I will open another position in the upward. Let's see. And Mahajantram. Okay, so this one also, market is somewhere stuck in the resistance level. Let's do one thing. Let's open another position for $30 down. Traders, I am keep on using my RFTs and I am not explaining that specific trade, because that is not as per the strategy which we are following. Whenever I will be getting any trade as per the strategy, of course I will be explaining that one also. And at the same time, if someone is not aware about that what exactly support and resistance means, just let me know in the comment section. I will be explaining that one. Let me take a few more comments. Okay, so Royal Hunter, we already took his comment. Farhan, how to trade? So the easiest way, just understand the strategy, learn about that one, try to focus on the set of rule, and then no, you are not supposed to take it on your live account, take it to your demo account, practice it there, open minimum to minimum 70 to 100 trades. I know that is going to take time. If each trade is for 2 minutes and 70 into 2, so that is going to be 140 minutes. That will be somewhere around 2.5 hours. I completely understand, but then you will be able to conclude whether that strategy is working for you or not. Second thing, then you will come up with your own set of rules that how this strategy is working, and that is something which everyone should be aware about. Okay, so how to Carol Fopaji, very good evening. So this is not a game, it's a trading platform, hardcore trading platform. So you just need to apply some technical tools also, and it's not like that you have to buy these technical tools. You can apply them manually also, or these are available in the strategy part also. So make sure you use them properly, you understand them properly, and then start applying it on your live account. Okay, so Ibrahim Yusuf is saying, why I follow my mentor, he win the signal but I lost the trade, same time, same level, he used time frame for 2 minutes, please explain. See Ibrahim, there is a possibility that you might be opening a trade within a time gap of 1 or 2 seconds or 3 seconds. I'm not saying that it is going to create a huge difference, but sometime it can. Let me show you how exactly it works. So now see, if there is an asset which is not having that much volatility, so 2-3 seconds are not going to create a huge difference. But at the same time, if there is some asset like which is keep on moving every moment, or even though, let's take an example of a slow moving asset also. So just imagine that you opened your position when the 51 seconds were still pending. For 2 to 3 seconds market was stuck at the same time, same course were there, then market started moving. But at the closing time, if the market is having a bit more volatility, so that can lead to some negative sense. Just try to focus on one part. Whenever he is opening a trade, or whenever you are trying to check it, make sure you check everything, like what is the opening time, second and millisecond. If everything is exactly same, I can tell you both of you should be having the same result. It should not be different. Both of you will be having the same result. Okay, so things are not going as per the strategy. Everything is not going streamlined. Usually I am used to suggest that to take a break during this time window from 6:45 to 7:50 or 7:30 when the US market is open, but I have to trade because I need to show you that how this exactly works. So no worries, we will keep on trying, we will keep on using the same technical, we will keep on using the same approach, and then we will, once the volatility will be a bit stable, things will be streamlined, then we can start taking trades in a positive manner. We will stay calm, we are not going to bother ourselves, or we are not going to get panic that things are not going positive. Let's increase the trade amount, because this is what we call risk management. Now traders understand one thing. I have somewhere around $15,000 in my trading account, but still why I am trading with $15? Two reasons. First one, I know market is volatile. Second one, I know if my $150 or $1,500 trade will go negative, that will be more hard for me to recover. So first I need to find out the disease. I mean to say I need to find out the reason why my trades are going negative. Whether my position is not correct, like whether the trade when I'm opening my entry is not correct, whether the asset is not correct, whether the timing is not correct. First I will be able to analyze that one, then I can take the precautions, then I can start working on that one. And this is something which you should be also following, because the basic rule of trading, what exactly it says, you can make money if you have money, right? If you have a capital, only then you will be able to trade and you will be able to make capital. But if you don't have, then of course you can't do anything. And sometimes traders are stating, sir, why your trades are positive, my trades are negative, or something like this or that. Now you can also observe, I am working for the company and still I am facing some negative results. So it's completely transparent. You can also observe everybody is facing negative results. Every day is not Christmas, every day is not Diwali, so every day is not a profit also. You should be having a set of rules that how much profit you can make, how much loss you can bear, and then you can act accordingly. Once we will be getting any signal, I will try to take a trade. At the same time, let me take some more comments also. So Ibrahim, I hope that I have cleared your doubt, but still you can cross verify. How you know us US market? So game on US market is used to open at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So every market is having different time zones. So you can search on Google also when the Asian market is opening up, when the US market is opening up, when the European market is opening up, because market is moving in 3 time zones: Asian, European, and then US. US, I believe this is the most volatile market which I have observed. I'm not stating or I'm not telling you that in that one you are not going to make profit. People are making profit also in that one. But I am quite lazy, like what exactly I do. I start in the morning, I start making like whatever is my take profit target. I start moving ahead in that direction. And majority of time I am done before 5 p.m. Like this is only the session time when I am trading during these hours also. So you can take trade during US timing also. All you just need to take some precautions. You just need to focus on if the strategy which was working for 2 candles in the morning, is it working same, or we need to make some changes. And if I'll talk about the changes, it's not going to be like rocket science you need to focus on. All you just need to change the time frame from 2 candle to 3 candle. Sometimes you just need to change the technical also, but majority of time it is going to be same. Okay, so how you know US market? Okay, what? Okay, I'm so sorry traders, I missed some comments. I want to learn more. Of course, in Mr. Emmanuel, you can take your time. You can explore these playlist. You can subscribe the channel, be part of the family. Don't mind. Do I trade one time? Let's see. Gameonji, see, you can try to take copy trades, but of course that can lead to some negative results also. And you can also observe that I have also faced some trade. One trade, let it finish. Okay, once they notice you are making withdrawal, they will mount a watch on your trades and then manipulate it aggressively. Ama Infoji, let me tell you one thing. Now see, if once we will start observing that you are making withdrawals, I believe that is your question, that then there will be some manipulation. So manipulations, it should be like somewhere like that. I am taking a trade in upward direction, you are taking a trade in downward direction. You made some withdrawals, your trades are going negative, but mine are going positive. But there is a possibility both traders are making withdrawal. Both of them are taking trade on a same asset at the same time, but in different directions. Now you are taking a trade for $50, another trader is taking a trade for $5 or $500. Now which one you think that will be going negative? That trade will be going negative in which analysis is not correct. And still, if you have any doubt, let me give you a open book information. You can check it anywhere with anyone, with any of your friends. Open any asset or any of your previous trade which you have taken, open that specific asset, go to this button, go to this view quote history, put that specific time, date and time, and you will be able to cross verify the quotes. Both of them will be having the same. Now if you are stating that you took a trade in upward because you made a withdrawal that the trade went negative, there is nothing like that one. Second thing, we are regulated by Venue 2, we are government of Venue 2, we are also member of FinCom, so there is nothing like that one. And also understand one thing, if we want you to lose, then why I am keep on telling you that take trade with small amount? I should be stating that, sir, with $15 you are not going to be a millionaire, start taking in trades with 1500. Why I'm not telling like that? Why we are spending time, we are giving so much efforts to teach you that how you can improve your trading skills? Because we want you to make profit. My friend, understand that thing. Every now and then we are coming live on this channel, we are talking about different technical strategies in 8 different languages. We are conducting these sessions just to make sure that our traders, they are well aware that how to trade. And now one more thing, if 2 plus 2 is 4 on my platform, that is 4 on another platform also. What exactly I am trying to tell you, that if the one technical which you are learning from this platform or from this session, if that is available on another platform also, you can use it there. And of course that is going to react in the same manner. So understand one thing, there is nothing like that. Okay, so let's keep on trying, let's keep on shuffling our cards. Traders, in case if you will be finding any signal, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to open a trade. So far trades are not going positive. Let's try again. So this trade I have taken on the basis of only on the color of candles and the stochastic, not on the basis of MACD. Let me check MACD in Japanese also. Okay, so market started moving into the upward direction. Let's see if it will continue. There was a very nice signal. So there was a swing low breach. No worries, we will keep on shuffling, we will keep on looking forward for more and more signals. Okay, so it looks like market is stuck somewhere in this level. Let's try with the resistance level, 2-minute down trade. Okay, so 2 trades are in pipeline. Let's see if those will go positive. Market is in the overbought zone from a very long time, so market can change the direction at any moment. Let's see if we will be able to grab that opportunity or not. Okay, so let me do one thing. Okay, so just give me a second, guys. So I just need to open one opportunity here. Okay, so let me go back to the strategy which we were following. Okay, so anything is there so far? No signals. Few trades are already in the pipeline, and we are still looking forward for more and more opportunities to grab it. Okay, let me do one thing. Ameno, I'm so sorry to hear that, like you are avoid Olymptrade if you don't want to have high blood pressure. 8 years of trading with Olymptrade and they are thieves. Ama info, just let me know if you were using any strategy or if you are using any strategy. Just let me know. Just give me. I completely respect your opinion. Whatever you have, everybody is having their own opinion, and I respect that one. But just give me some information that what are the things you are facing, what are the difficulties you are facing. Always talking when you start, they will manipulate you. You will observe this. Avoid them. Okay, good evening. I request you for withdrawal on 19th 11 and still not I received. Afzal, I request you just connect with the support team. They will be guiding you with that one. Don't mind. I gave $18. Can I earn $5 every day? See, game on that is completely fine. If you talk about $5, that is a quite nice handsome, because nice handsome amount. You can stick to that one. And now let me tell you one thing, like if you want to make $5, it's not required that directly take a trade for $6 or $7 and then make $5. You can do one thing, start with $1 only, and slowly and gradually, in case if you think everything is going streamlined, you can increase the capital amount. But if you are supposed to make only $5, I don't think like you are required to, you need to just stay calm, stay slow, just focus on the strategy. Do not think that with a shorter time duration I will be able to make quick money. I know, everybody know, with a shorter time duration you will be able to make quick profits, high profits. But with shorter time duration you might be losing your capital also a bit more fast. So if the money is coming very quick, that might go very quick also. So make sure you mind this information. Do not start start investing on a very short time duration, and do not start following that thing. Okay, just stay calm. If you only want to make $5, I believe that you have to a whole day, and you can spend any 10, 15, 30 minutes, 40 minutes or 1 hour to make that much capital. Okay, so let's move back to the trades. Okay, so I believe things are not going in our favor today. Again, this trade was negative, this one was also negative. Let me have a look on that one, what exactly is happening. Okay, so market breached this level. I wish I was here so that I could try to grab that opportunity. No worries, we will keep on trying, we will keep on trying our best, because today market is not looking good, but at least we should be able to grab a hold on that one. Okay, let's see if we will be able to make any profit. Okay, so market is already in the overbought zone, market is trying to move in the downward direction. Let's analyze if, okay, consolidation is going on, market is trying to breach this level. Let me see, if this level will be breached, we can think about taking a trade in the upward direction. I don't want to take a trade in downward direction. The reason behind, because the support level is very near. Now market is stuck. No worries, let's keep on shuffling our cards, keep on moving to different assets, and then whenever we will be able to conclude something, we will try to take a trade. This level breached, but we are quite late. No worries. Okay, so let me just have a final look if any asset is still there. Okay, so this one is trying to make a signal in the downward direction. Stochastic already breached, this one level also breached. Let's take a trade. So we have executed our one more trade on Asia Composite in downward direction for $15, 2 minutes. Let's see if the market will continue in the same direction and if we will be able to make some profits. Let me take a couple of last comments, and I have okay brother. Okay, so Ritik, hello Ritik. Okay, so traders, before winding up today's conversation, I just want to share one more piece of information. I believe that you will be excited to know about that one, and I expect there will be some reactions, or some people will be dropping their hearts. So the information is like me, we have a team of analysts, so we have a VIP department, so we are taking care of the trading concerns. So what exactly we are doing, we are conducting Zoom sessions with you. Let me explain about this information. So these sessions are going to be for 25 to 30 minutes, where we will be sharing our screen, talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, just to help you with your trading concerns. These sessions are going to be one-to-one, so your analyst will be there, no third persons will be allowed, so you can ask your question then and there. Third thing, whether you are going to take one session or 1000 session, all sessions will be free. No need to pay anything ever to anyone, no subscription, no charges, no tuition, anything. There is no charges at all. But for now, this facility is only available for the expert level holders. So I request you, my friend, those who have reached on the expert level, make sure you take benefit of that one. Your contact number should be updated on your account. Make sure you update it in your profile section. In case if you have missed it, or you are not able to update a contact number, or you update the contact number, you receive the call but that went to the spam because that was with the +44 number, or because of any XYZ reason you were not able to take a benefit of that opportunity. and you missed it. Or even though now from expert now you are on advanced level or starter level, still you can avail that opportunity, you can get that information, you can get that service. For that one, just connect with the support team, tell them, sir, I need help with my trading, this is my trader ID and this is my contact number. Please avoid sharing your contact details and personal details in the comment section. Just share it with the support team. Tell them you need guidance in trading. Please raise a callback request, because once you will talk about trading, that request will come into my department and someone from my department will come into the picture and we will align your session. And again, I'm repeating myself, these sessions are going to be free, no need to pay anything ever to anyone. And if somebody is stating that they are from Olymptrade and they are going to teach you this, that, but you have to pay something, make sure that call is not from Olymptrade. Okay, so I believe this information might be useful for you. If you have reached on the expert level in the past or currently you are on that one, you can connect. And those traders, those who are already taking these sessions but they are not able to get in touch with their financial analyst, or they might have missed any of their session and now they are not able to connect, you can also follow the same thing. Just connect with the support team, tell them you need guidance in trading, please raise a callback request and we will come into the picture. Let me check if the last trade was positive. Okay, so the last trade went positive, everything was fine, because I believe if ends well, everything is well. Okay, so I have two trades which are in the pipeline. These are the different ones, so we will not be considering that one. So far, if I'll talk about today's trading, not much trades were positive, but traders understand one thing, whatever you are learning from any a platform, like whether it's YouTube, any of your friends, books, anything, make sure you explore it on your demo account first. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, then you can take it to your live account. Because see, understand one thing, strategy is like a medicine. Majority of time these are generic, like they are going to work same for everyone, but sometime there might be some exceptions, like if something is working for me, that might not work for you, or if something is working for you, that might not work for me. So considering that thing, to conclude whether that is working for you or not, just go for a patch test. Patch test means just try it on your demo account, open 60 to 70 trades, then conclude whether that is working for you or not. Because I have seen some traders, they are having a conversation with me, and next time whenever I am talking to them, sir, the strategy which you gave last time, that was not working at all. And then I'm asking, how many trades you open, sir? Sir, I opened 7 trades, I opened 10 trades, I opened 12 trades, and I conclude this is not the way. Exactly, game on. This is the main reason. When we think that, see, there is only one difference. My trade will go positive. That is the confidence. My trade will only go positive. That is the overconfidence. Overconfidence always lead to greed, and that wipe out your capital. Because see, when you know that my trade will go positive, you will invest a capital. But when you think that my trade will only go positive, you will invest everything in a single trade. And if that trade go negative, because see, there is an old quote in the market doesn't owe you anything. Understand one thing. So remembering that thing, always invest that much amount which you can feel or which you can observe if you will face it as a loss. That's it. Always stay consistent. Take trading as a marathon. Don't take it as a sprint. Because even though if you are taking it as a sprint, you might be able to make some profits, you will be ahead to everyone, but there might be some time when you will start losing your breath, mean to say you will start making some losses and you will exhaust your complete capital, and then you will not be able to move ahead. And this is something which we are following in the marathon also. We just hold our breath so that we can cover max to max distance. This is something that trading is. So you need to focus on that one. So traders, I request you again, whatever you have learned, make sure you practice it on your demo account. And after that, you feel free to take it to your live account. In the meantime, in case if any one of you want to have some personal sessions and they have reached to the expert level, or even though if you are on an advanced level, you can take one session. So make sure get in touch with the support team and share your requirement. We will get in touch with you. Again, I'm repeating myself, all sessions are going to be free, no need to pay anything ever to anyone, and that's it for the day. So guys, make sure keep learning, keep earning, make sure stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much for your day. Thank you so much for your comments. It was wonderful talking to you. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. And this was your host, your financial expert, your dear friend Kunal Kapoor for the day. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers.